Just a quick follow-up to show you what I was talking about earlier about the bracket configuration. So I slid the battery tray back in, went under this cable here. You can see there's the zip tie that like snaps in. So you can just, that will snap into that hole. I'll do that later. There's the screw that goes in, and then this goes on. This has like a tab here, so that just goes in on top of there and into the, so it goes into that tab, goes in here, and then in here too. So you will just align it. Boom, 1, 2, 3, and it's in. And then that piece there was the piece I didn't take off, but I had to remove it there, like I said before. So then there's just through 3 bolts here instead, and then one there that you can remove. It's they're all 10s, 10 millimeter, and that's it. So just wanted to show you guys in case anyone wants to do this on a manual. There's the cover. Oh, this goes on top too, this piece. All right, so now I probably would have been okay to, no, did I have to remove this? I probably would have been okay to just, no, I had to remove this because this is attached at the bottom there. So I do need to remove this top bracket. And again, there's 2 10 millimeters here. And that's it. Cheers.